Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clinton with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about things you need to know before a hardwood floor installation. A lot of people think, oh, just go ahead and throw down a real hardwood floor and all your worries are over about your flooring. It's not true. Hardwood floors are actually a lot of maintenance. You have to make sure you buy the right cleaners, make sure the floor is actually level before the installation of your wood floor. You got to go ahead and take a level and put it across the entire room, making sure that you're not going to buckle your wood floors anywhere at all. You got to make sure that after you install your wood floor that you put a really thick coat of sealant on top, otherwise it'll damage your wood. And then you got to maintain that on top of there with good cleaners, proper applications of the cleaners, not a lot of water, not a lot of mud sitting on there or waters to damage the wood because it could cause it to curl. There's a lot of different types of hardwood cleaners out there. A lot of them are cleaners and protectants which help protect your wood floor from a lot of traffic on there. You have to reseal your wood about every 5 to 10 years depending on the grade of sealant that you actually get for it. You got to make sure that you use a nice polyurethane to go over top of it. That way it resists any damage from people dropping stuff on there and causing your wood to dent. One of the biggest things I tell people when they're getting ready to install a real hardwood floor is it gets a lot louder in the room that you're installing it in. There's no carpet or anything there to absorb that sound. Also, the hardwood floor does not hold the heat like carpet does. It gets a lot colder, your feet get cold, and a lot of times people end up throwing down a lot of area rugs to help warm that room up. I'm Joshua Clinton with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about things you need to know before installing a hardwood floor. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.